Today we'll be eating the spicy deluxe crispy sandwich from McDonald's. Let's get it, baby. So my son Sky, shout out to you, dog. He wanted me to eat the spicy one, so we had to get the spicy one, you dig? Alright, so since this one is deluxe, it has lettuce, tomatoes, the goddamn spicy sauce. You can't forget about that because it's spicy. First bite, dog. Hey, hiccups. This spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's, if you love spiciness, you will freaking love it, without a doubt. My son Sky, he also wanted me to get the extra spicy sauce to ask for it, but apparently I couldn't do that, bro. This is all I got, but it's bussin'. I'll rate the spicy crispy sandwich a 8 out of 10. Not even. I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. Yo, it was bussin'.